Hello and welcome to our new video. We're exploring Jasper AI, an incredible tool revolutionizing content creation. The link to Jasper AI is in the description. So what's Jasper AI? It's an AI-driven platform that's changing the game for bloggers, marketers, and content creators worldwide. Jasper AI stands out with its ability to generate high-quality content, from blog posts and product descriptions to social media content and ad copy. Key features include versatile content generation for blogs, e-commerce and social media, AI-generated art, and even a handy Chrome extension. Now, let's talk about making money with AI tools like Jasper AI. There's a wealth of opportunities here, and I'm going to break it down for you. First up, content creation services. With Jasper AI, you can produce quality content at scale, offering your services to businesses and entrepreneurs. Next, e-commerce. Use Jasper to craft compelling product descriptions that can skyrocket sales and conversion. For social media gurus, Jasper AI is a goldmine. Manage social media accounts with a consistent stream of engaging content. Digital marketers, listen up. Jasper can help you create SEO-friendly content and ad copy, driving traffic to your or your client's site. Bloggers and affiliate marketers leverage Jasper to churn out quality blog posts and monetize through various channels. If email marketing is your jam, Jasper AI can help craft compelling campaigns that boost engagement and conversions. Influencers and personal brands keep your online presence strong with minimal effort using Jasper AI. And don't forget, Jasper can generate unique visual content too, perfect for design services. To wrap it up, Jasper AI isn't just a tool for content creation. It's a gateway to numerous monetizing opportunities in the digital world. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.